Turnarounds are expensive, both in terms of lost production while the process unit is offline and in terms of direct cost for the labor, tools, heavy equipment, and materials used to execute the project. As a result, proper planning is critical to maximizing efficiency of the contractor and minimizing overtime. The key to successful implementation of a project during a short outage window is having a complete, detailed, and centralized turnaround work packages. These packages provide the instruction for needed materials, preparation, and also field installation with the associated technical documentation. Paper-based job cards process can have significant impact on turnaround efficiency as operator have to handle too many documentation as the job cards, the PID, ISO procedures, checklists, and also they struggle to find the information they need as the progress and the equipment status. They have also to report and retype their task, man hours, and punch manually with potential errors. They lose a lot of time through validation workflow and the different stakeholders' input to finish the job. On the other hand, supervisors and managers face difficulties to follow the progress on daily basis, have a visibility on the task punch status to take decisions, and share information as they need a lot of meetings. With Ermeo, you will provide an easy to customize mobile solution that will bring mobility and automatic update of your master databases as Browser and Primavera, for example. Indeed, Ermeo is composed of two parts: a mobile application accessible on any mobile device for operators where they can have access to all the data they need, a web platform where administrator can create, upload content without any specific development, and where managers can have access to reports and all the data sent by operators. To digitalize the job card paper-based process, administrators have access to the web platform where they will upload databases and documentation. They will also create interactive forms on Ermeo Edition Studio and link them to the uploaded content, as the planned activities and equipment list. Once the forms, documentation, drawings, and databases are published, the operator will have access to them in mobility. Operator have just to open his mobile application, filter on the planned intervention or on the right activity or area, and open his job card. Once it's done, and as the job card form is linked to databases, it will be pre-filled with all data he needs as job card general information with the discipline, location, area, or the system. Also, the involved team, needed material, and the specific permit to work he needs to his job. Operator will also have access to the planned man hours and the specific tasks and the needed documentation and drawings. At the end of the job card form, he will indicate the progress and the real man hours they spent manually or automatically. Once the operator finishes, he can transfer the form for validation to his supervisor, and at the end of the workflow validation, it will generate an automatic report accessible through the web platform or automatically sent by mail. Admin or supervisor can extract the value of the report or specific PDF report. This report can be customized, for example, if you sent a procedure progress report. Ermeo is automatically linked to Power BI, so the progress will be automatically updated and the manager will have a global view on the turnaround activities progress, punch and equipment status, and the specific delay alerts. Each time operators generate reports, the job cards databases value will be updated. Supervisors and or managers can have access to the updated databases form from the platform. They can have also access to the data history of each job card and who did what and when. Through manual import-export or through automatic interface with your existing turnaround softwares, all the master databases will be updated. At the end of the turnover, Ermeo solution and the generated databases can be transferred to the operation and maintenance teams. Indeed, they can cover multiple paper-based processes on site as the procedures, the equipment tracking, and the different daily checklists. The digitized job cards on Ermeo were already implemented on oil and gas offshore site through a service company, and the reported value are the followings. Eliminate barriers and silos between departments and hierarchy. Minimize travel time and screen time with accessible, annotable, and centralized information. Homogenize, digitize practices and transmit structured database that can be used by the operation and maintenance on daily basis. Improve visibility on planning, task execution, punches, and equipment status and history. Ease reporting workload and reduce errors through pre-filled forms and automatic reports.